We're jamming out the Vitamix. You gotta plug it in, so I gotta get a spot to plug it. I'm just gonna pull this so we can just do that. It makes it easier. You gotta click that. When you do, this blue light comes on. You see that? Isn't that cool? All right, so now it's ready. Now it will do something. If I wanted to do a pulse, I go like this. Watch. And see how it spins? That's a pulse. This is start and stop. You know? And then these are all this is low and it goes to high. And then smoothie, frozen desserts, hot soup. So you can just pick, you know what I mean? And then here's your thingamabob here. And if you look, you can see the blades in it. And that part right there has got to go right in that hole. But first we got to fill it with stuff. Then you put this on top. All right, let's do it. All right, so we're going to put some almond milk in there and fill her up a little bit. Throw in another banana, some protein powder. It's always good. And we're going to put in a bunch of blueberries. And we're going to put a whole avocado in there. Put the top on, and bam, we're going to smoothie, turning it on, and there she goes. All right, so I sped this up about 700 times, so it took a little bit longer. All right, now we got to see what it looks like.
Ta-da.
Ooh, that looks delicious. All right, all that's left now is to give it a try and see how tasty it is. Oh yeah, and it's good, real good.